Hey YouTube. So now COVID's starting to end and people are going back to school, you might find yourself in social situations where you're starting to talk with new people. And you may need some help trying to create conversation. There are two tools I'm going to teach you today, one of which will help you create conversation and one of which will help you avoid conversation. The tools are called F.O.R.D, F-O-R-D, and R.A.P.E, R-A-P-E. And F.O.R.D is designed to give you talking topics that are really easy to talk about, and R.A.P.E is designed to give you topics you shouldn't talk about because they cause friction in conversation. So what do they stand for? Well, F.O.R.D stands for friends and family, occupation, real estate and recreation, and dreams. And some of these are American terms, but bear with me. R.A.P.E, on the other hand, stands for religion, abortion, politics, and economics. So what kind of questions can you ask? So do you have a family? Where do you want to work, or where do you work? What do you do in your spare time? Have you thought about what you want to do in later life? Now, all of these topics are really easy to talk about because they apply to everyone, and people find it really easy to talk about themselves. So provided you're an attentive listener, you can quite easily fill in an entire conversation. On the other hand, R.A.P.E, they're topics that might cause controversial conversation, a difference in opinion, friction between you. So you want to avoid these at the start of any social situation because the conversation might go stale, it might turn awkward. These tools, they're great for a first timer, for the first time you meet someone. But as you build relationships with people, you might find yourself expanding into those topics or other topics. And there are other tools out there that you might find useful. There are other acronyms. But remember these for the starter. And then once you sort of develop your social skills, you can use those tools after. Stick to the basics. Hopefully that's helped you. If it has, like and subscribe, share this video, and stay subscribed because I'm going to share more tips like this in the future. Cheers! I think that was one take.